could have entered the buy here. And after that, you used this one as a footprint. And after that, simply use this one as a first layer. And before this mix masala of thing started happening, the official breakout happened here. So before this consolidation started happening, you would already be out because you would have closed the trade there. So we can go to the next one.
Hey Brian.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah,
Yes.
Brian. If we spot divergence on one larger time frame, so for entry, can we use the smaller time frame? Like if we find a divergence on the 5-minute time frame, so can we go back to 1-minute time frame and use of that that time frame and the crossover of the 1-minute time frame? Can we use it?
Okay, let me make sure I understand you. If you could analyze on
Yeah. Okay. So we can go back to gold.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Yeah. 5-minute time frame.
5 minutes.
Yes, 5 minutes. So if you see there is a divergence just now. Like yeah.
What about it?
So here we are getting the divergence.
Mm-hmm.
So can we go back to 1-minute time frame and take an entry when the 1-minute crossover happens in the oversold zone or area?
So you wanted to take you saw what?
I spotted the divergence on the 5-minute time frame. And then as per the rule, I have to wait for the crossover, right? To get entry.
Yes.
Yeah. So instead of waiting for the 5-minute crossover, can I go back to 1-minute time frame? And can I take an entry when the 1-minute time the crossover happens?
No,
can I do that or it's okay?
On 1 minute, if you're looking for in terms of divergence, if you're looking for crossover is something that you must get in order to fully confirm that one.
Okay.
If you're on a particular time frame, and some time frames you find that you're on a bigger time frame, just only for the crossover, and you find that the lower time frames have already crossed or whatever.
Okay.
But with divergence, do not lag it. I mean, with crossing over, do not lag it. You must wait for it all the time.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Thank you.
After, you can just postpone it, and you find that the market is starting to pull into the opposite direction, and you don't want that. So you must fully confirm with it. Why? Let me give you a hint. It always signals. You can see the stochastic moving up and down. As the stochastic is moving up and down, this crossover is there. Even on the stochastic, they show that after the crossover, the market is moving. After the crossover, the market is moving, regardless of going up and down. But the market, it is moving. So just simply strictly wait for the crossover.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Let's speak to the next one. Hello, how's it making? Okay, let me check. Let me double check it. Euro, USD. I said we must be selling this one. Yeah, I think it's USD. Okay, let me double check. It is Euro. Oh yeah, it is Euro USD for sale. And what was I looking at? Let me zoom in. So we found ourselves in a position where even the footprint line has gone to a point where it is broken. And on 4 hour, there was simply a divergence that happened there. Now let's go into the much detailed form. So as it kept on going up like that, what we can do to get its full confirmation is to wait for it to cross again and add more re-entries. If it breaks and start doing that in order to take it down like that. So I would say on this one, it's just a matter of waiting for me. Just a matter of waiting. And yeah, we'll see how it transpires from there. So let's just wait on it and see what happens. USD what? USD rand, meaning euros are. Okay. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of consolidation, first of all, on it. But from what I'm seeing, there's more momentum on the downside. But everything makes sense because if I can be able to extend this line, it will show that the market is broken, make some retests, continue going down. But it also did that in a form of divergence, and for me it makes sense that way. So if you would have entered that one, of course, if it decides to retest and go back, just simply confirm with divergence in order to continue taking it to the downside like that. Hope I answered you. So now let's move to the next one if there is.
Well, hello, my king.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you, man?
I know I'm fine, my king. First of all, my king, I just want to say thank you a lot about the calculator that you have sent for us via the group for lot size. I think for me it's something that is a little bit a challenge, Mara. Now I'm almost winning.
Oh yeah. I wanted to also give out also a brief on that. So what I've actually sent, it shows how to calculate the position size.
Yeah.
The aim is to calculate the lot size, and with the lot size, when you know, and I told you guys to put the stop loss, like when you're entering, for example, let's say when you're entering a buy here and you put your stop loss around here, and the distance between where you're entering and the stop loss, those pips that are the ones where you put at the stop loss in the form of pips. And from there, you put how much is in your account. And from there, it will illustrate to you that how much lot size you must use from there.